Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how we are going to install Jenkins along with hands-on tutorial. Without any further delay, let's get started. Let me share the screen. So here, this is my AWS console or AWS dashboard. Here we are going to launch one instance for Jenkins. So as we know, the hardware configurations for Jenkins is minimum of 4 GB of RAM. Okay, let me show you first. And here, I will just keep the name as Jenkins demo. I will take the instance name as Jenkins demo and I'm going to choose Ubuntu. I'll just select 24.04 LTS version. LTS means long-term support release version. Okay, you can even choose any of the thing which is comes under free tier eligible. Okay, and we know that instance type, we must need 4 GB of hardware configurations. With 4 GB memory will come with T2 medium. So T2 medium type of instance will come with 2 virtual CPU cores and 4 GB of memories. That's why I'm just choosing T2 medium. And if you have any key pair, you can just select that key pair. Already I'm having the key pair here. If you don't have the key pair, you can just click this option, create a new key pair. You can give the name of the key pair and then you can just select the format as PEM and you can just create the key pair. So it will get downloaded into your downloads. Okay. So now I'm already having the key pair. So just I'm using the same key. And coming to the network securities, network settings, here I'm just giving name as Jenkins Security Group demo I will give and same name I'm going to give even in description also. And here, as we know that Jenkins is running on the port number 8080, by default, SSH port is going to open. For instance, let me add one more security group rule, that is 8080 for accessing Jenkins. I am going to select the source type from anywhere. So I just need only 8 GB of hard disk. Let it be. Let me launch instance. So let me connect to this demo instance. I'll just connect to this. I'm just using mobile extern here. If you want, you can even use Putty and Puttigen also. It's up to you. So just go to sessions, new session, SSH. I'm just using advanced SSH. I'll just upload my key. This is the key. Just OK. So for the first time, if you launch any instance, you just have to update the server after switching to root user. I have switched into root user. Let me update the server. Apt update -y. It may take some couple of seconds time. So for Jenkins, the prerequisite is Java. So as it is a sorry, as it is a fresh machine, I know that Java is not there. If you want, you can even verify Java --bash. So Java is not there. So let's try to install Java. And Jenkins will support minimum of 17 version. So here I'm just going to type in browser that install Java in Ubuntu 20. Sorry, install Java in Ubuntu 22.04. So I'm just using DigitalOcean link. So just click on this link, how to install Java with apt. So here you can choose 22 version because it is the latest one. Okay, so let me choose 22 version only. And here, if you just scroll down, you will have the steps for installing Java. First, we need to update the server. As I have already updated the server, I no need to update it again. If you want to install, if you are already installed Java, you can verify using this command. As I don't have Java, I don't want to use this command. So here, I will just copy this command as Java runtime. First, I will install Java runtime. So it is going to ask permission. After runtime, you can verify version of runtime. using this command. It takes some couple of seconds time because it has to install all dependencies here, Java runtime dependencies. So with this command, I can have Java runtime here, and then I'm going to install Java development kit also. It's better. So Java runtime and Java development kit, both I'm installing. After installing Java runtime and Java development kit, you can verify the Java version using this command. Just copy that blindly and you can paste here. Let me clear the screen. So Java, I can see by using these commands, if you install Java, it will install default version. So the latest version of Java is 21. That's why you can get 21 version. Okay, but Jenkins will support minimum of 17 version, 1.17. Okay, 17 version it is going to support. After 17, you can even use above version, but it is not going to support below version. So now let me install Jenkins. For that, again, I'm going to use install Jenkins on Ubuntu 22.0. So here, I'm just going to use official documentation of Jenkins. See, this is the official documentation, jenkins.io. Just let me click on this Linux. So here, you can see the minimum hardware configurations. As I said in the starting of this video, 4 GB is the RAM that is required for Jenkins. That's why I have taken T2 medium. Of course, it is not under free tier eligible. T2 medium is not under free tier eligible. Here, you will have two versions. That is long-term support release version, weekly release. You can download anywhere or you can use any version. But better, my recommendation is go with long-term support release version. If you install this version, every week updates will be there in Jenkins. That's why my recommendable version is long-term support release version. So you just copy these commands here. You just make sure that you are copying the correct commands. So just copy up to key from sudo to till key. This is one command. Most of the people will be doing mistake here only and they will complain that it is unable to install. And second command is from echo to till null. Just copy this command and paste here. And then you just update the server. After updating the server, you can install Jenkins using this command. As we already know that you can install Jenkins either in Windows or in Linux, but you are going to access the Jenkins through browser only. So once after installing the Jenkins, let us see whether we are ready to use the Jenkins or not. It may take some couple of seconds time. So now Jenkins got installed. If you want to verify which version of Jenkins you have installed, you can simply say Jenkins -- version. See, the latest version of Jenkins is 2.4739.1. So now I wanted to access the Jenkins. How to access? Just let me go to instances. Here, I will just take public IP of instance. Copy this public IP, select the instance and copy this public IP, open any browser, paste your public IP :8080. So if you are installing Jenkins in Windows, you can access the Jenkins using localhost :8080. So here, if you observe carefully, if you want to unlock the Jenkins to ensure Jenkins is securely set up by the administrator, a password has been written to the log. That means they are telling that You have password in this specific location of Jenkins. So you just have to get that password. How to get that? Just copy this path from here, open your terminal, open this path using cat. So just copy this path again. You can paste this password here. This is the password. Just continue. Never. And here you are going to have two options for Jenkins, that is install suggested plugins and in select plugins to install. You can choose either of the option. If you choose this one, install suggested plugins, Jenkins will automatically install some plugins. If you choose select plugins to install, you have to select the plugins which you would like to install. Okay, so I'm going to choose this option, install suggested plugins. So it may take some time for getting installation of Jenkins plugins. That depends on the network connection which you have with you. And while you are installing the plugins, if you get some error, you just make sure that you have proper network connection or proper Wi-Fi connection. So Jenkins has been installed the plugin successfully. Now you can even set some passwords, usernames. I'm just giving admin as the username, admin as the password. I'm just confirming the password. I'll give name also, admin. You can provide any email address here. Just save and continue here. So you can access the Jenkins using this URL. So just save and finish. Just start using Jenkins. Here, this is what we call it as Jenkins dashboard or Jenkins console. Here you can find with whom you have logged in into the Jenkins. Thanks for watching this video. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to Swhizz Technologies and let me know in comments if you have any doubts. Thanks everyone.